We're back, knife enthusiast. Today we're doing about a 5-minute review of the Amare Field Bro. It is a slide lock is what it's called. As you can see here, you can flip it open that way. Obviously you work on the pivot a little bit or give it a little more oomph. It'll pop open. This is very similar to the Axis lock, XR lock, LR lock. All depends on who makes it, what they call it. So we'll go over this one quickly. Field Bro has a VG10 blade, 7.6 inch overall, see-through chassis, as you can tell there. Little jimping on the top here to help with control. The blade is a 3.3 inch satin blade. Clip point. Has a deep carry pocket clip, which is reversible, but only in the tip-up carry position. G10 handle with the Amare logo. Also has dual thumb studs for your lefties or righties. Large lanyard hole area. So this is the Amare Field Bro. Has a nice cutout here for your finger. I like that. Gives you the ability to get a good grip on it. And then the jimping comes in handy, even though it's slight jimping, as you can see there. It is enough to keep your hand from sliding. We're big on jimping around here. Let's go ahead and show you how the Amare performs. Being that it is VG10, that's a quality steel. It's going to cut pretty easily. There's a little fraying there. We'll find out in a second if that's because she's not that sharp or if she is. Guess we'll find out right now. We'll do a precision cut. Looks like it's pretty sharp to me, especially on the point. We'll check here. Oh, she cuts like butter. Very nice. A lot sharper than I thought. Bet you we could probably cut it any way we want to. Not bad. Nice sharp little knife. Let's see how she does in spear cutting. Looks like I have good control over it. I can pretty much move it around where I want to. It does want to pull you in a little further than you're looking to be. But you do have adequate control over it. So I can cut me my smiley face. I always like to cut those. Very nice. Very pleased with that knife. Show you the closing action again, the opening action. Kind of hard to do not facing you, but alright. We got a little glue on our knife from the tape. So this is the Amare Field Bro VG10 slide lock. Has a couple of barrel spacers. Actually 3 to be exact. It's going to have copper washer. We like those. Actually, it's like it has ball bearing for the pivot. Have to look that up. For those of you that are watching on YouTube, make sure you subscribe to Atlantic Knife. You won't be disappointed, plus you can be entered in all of our giveaways. If you're watching on Instagram, make sure you follow Atlantic Knife. We do post knife information, weekly giveaways, tons of stuff. Keep you informed. On that note, I am C with Atlantic Knife, signing off.